All right, here we are. Weekend review, June 3rd, 2025. So last week, U.S. financial markets posted solid gains across both equities and bonds, marking a strong close to the month of May. The S&P 500 finished the week up 1.9%, the NASDAQ 2%, and the Dow Jones gained 1.7%. Now, additionally, all three major indexes finished the month with gains, snapping a 3-month losing streak. The S&P 500, or SPY, finished up 6.3%. The Dow Jones closed 4.1%, and the NASDAQ 100, or the QQQ, soared 9.2%. Investor sentiment began improving amid easing inflation data and a potential pause in tariffs. However, uncertainty remains as the Trump administration appeals the court ruling on the Liberation Day tariffs and threatens additional tariffs. Now, let's talk upcoming economic releases. So key economic data this week includes durable orders, which is set for release on Tuesday, today, June 3rd, and provides insight into manufacturers' shipments, inventories, and orders. On Friday, June 6th, we have non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate will be released, giving insight into the current labor market trend during time of uncertainty, given the moving target that is tariffs. So market outlook. Last week, the Trump administration proposed a 50% tariff on the European Union as a whole, set to take effect a couple days ago, Sunday, June 1st, but that has since been delayed to July 9th of this year. Now, additionally, over the weekend, President Trump announced an additional 25% on steel and aluminum, bringing tariffs on those specific imports products up 50%, which will be implemented tomorrow on Wednesday, June 4th, through Friday, May 30th. 98% of the S&P 500 companies have reported their first quarter results with an average earning gain of a whopping 12.9% over the same quarter a year earlier. This was a second consecutive quarter of double-digit growth and is an important backdrop for the fundamental picture of the market. Now, as we look forward, the second quarter earnings report will be even more important as investors wait to see the quantifiable impact of the tariffs on corporate earnings. Now, let's talk recent activity. All right, here we are. Stocks in the news. So NVIDIA, or NVIDIA Corp, the AI GPU leader, reported better than expected earnings and revenue on Wednesday last week. The company's data center business recorded year-over-year growth above 73%. The stock finished the week up 2.9%. Next, CRM, Salesforce, the major software provider, reported strong earnings results, beating expectations and raised forward guidance. So during the release, the company announced it agreed to pay $8 billion for data management software maker Informatica. The shares were down 2.8% for the week. That's your week in review. I'll see y'all next time.